What's up, sweeties? It's TL and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun.
Sweetest thing ever known. Sweet thing. My sweet thing.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another grocery haul. So I'm gonna start over here. If you hear the noise, my 5-year-old's in the back playing with his toys, so that's what all the crazy noises are. I got these mini ice cream sandwiches. Here's my receipt, y'all. You get 16 mini ice cream sandwiches for $4.79. So I got those. The drumsticks, $4.79 for those as well. I love these ice creams here. The strawberry is $5.49, and the other one was, yeah, $5.49 too. Got a pack of bacon, natural hickory smoked bacon, and for the bacon I paid, why can't I find anything on this thing on receipt? Let me just go and order on a receipt. Okay, it's a quick dinner tonight because it's already after 3 o'clock, so that's why I got the kale greens, and I paid $2.99 for those. And I got these quick or delicious, these Bob Evans original mashed potatoes. The homestyle ones are good too, $5.29 each. This is my first time getting this honey cornbread mix. I usually just get the regular Jiffy and then maybe add some honey to it, and butter and stuff like that. But that's my first time getting that, 99 cents. I got this onion soup pack because that's what I put inside of my roast. I paid $1.79 for that. You get 2 packs in there. I got beef broth because I use beef broth for my greens. Got some white bread. The broth was $2. The bread was $1.69. Egg noodles. Where are they at? This is the meal I'm making later this week, so that's why I got the ground beef here too. Yeah. The egg noodles were $1.79. I got 2 au jus gravy packs. This is what I use for my pot roast, so I got 2 of those for $1.49 each. I got the Swedish. We say Swedish. I never used this. It looks like it comes with the seasoning mix and the sauce mix, but I just use my meatballs. Oh, I got these chocolate cupcakes. Slowly but surely trying to do better. Honey, I can eat a whole 6-pack of the big cupcakes in 2 days. Just being honest. I got 2 of the ABC ravioli. We call them ABC OBs in this house.
Because the kids love them.
You heard me. Yeah, you want some? I'm gonna make you some. You get 2 for $3. Oh, I got Dietz & Watson buffalo chicken breast lunch meat. So I got that from the deli. I like my meat chipped, but he gave it to me sliced. It's okay. But I paid $4.29 for that. I have some cinnamon applesauce. Love it. $2.59. I got this 2-pack of the Moonlight Breeze for Breeze, and they smell so good. $5.49. Dish liquid, lavender and lime. And I paid $3.49 for that. Ground beef. So that's this. And it was $5.61. Making sure it matched that tag on it. Two beef chuck boneless shoulder roast. $12.54 for this one. It's got some thickness to it. So let me show y'all the right way. So I got that one. I got another one for $14.78. So that's what we got. I'm about to put those in the crock pot. When I scanned my my little card that you can get, you know, fuel perks and stuff, I got some cash off. So for the bacon, it was $3.99. I got it for $2.50. And I saved $2 from my perks. I'm guessing that's how I'm supposed to read that. I guess. Anyways, my total came up to $107.46. Okay, so let me get this food put away. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. I'm trying to think if I'm doing a cooking video. I probably won't for the roast, but maybe for the Swedish meatballs, I'll come back later this week and do a cooking video for that stuff. But thank y'all again for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Give this video a thumbs up, thumbs up. I hope your week is going well so far. I hope you have a nice, positive, productive, and peaceful rest of the week. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. I am out. Peace.
Sweetest thing ever known.